Hi, I just wanted to make this super quick video because of something I've noticed has been a problem with a lot of students. So I thought I'd make a super quick video to show you how to deal with this. So this is Google Docs, which I know a lot of you use. What you can do with Google Docs is if you go here, right? Here's my thing. Up here where it says File, if I click File and go to Download, I can download it as a Microsoft Word file, a rich text format file, or PDF document. Any of those will work with Blackboard. I'll be able to comment on it in Blackboard. Some people are turning it in with no file type at all. I'm not quite sure how it's getting turned in with no file type. And I can download it. When I download it, it opens it, but it takes away a lot of the formatting or it adds in extra formatting. Sometimes I get strange characters at the beginning or end of it. I get huge spaces between paragraphs or sometimes just one long paragraph. And that makes it really hard to understand the writing and get your point across. It makes it difficult for me to figure out what you actually meant. But if you go and download it as any of those file types, Microsoft Word, rich text format, or PDF, I'll be able to read it and open it within Blackboard and comment on it in Blackboard. That'll make my job a lot easier, but it will also make it so that you can get comments a lot easier and get a lot more thorough feedback in a way which is going to be much easier for you to access and to understand. Thank you for your time. Bye.